Well, I have a surprise visitor today. I have Preeti Zinta with me, and the crowd is going totally manic. Preeti, welcome.
Hi, thank you. It's so much fun to come here, and for the first time in my life to come and support
Mumbai!
Mumbai Heroes. So today I'm here as a Mumbai heroine.
Oh, super Mumbai heroine. Tell me something, you're hugely associated with cricket. What do you think of the format of CCL?
I think it's wonderful. I think the fact that all the actors are getting together and playing this tournament, not only is it encouraging the sport, but it's very good for their personal fitness and fun. Like today, I've only come here because I get to see Sohail, I get to see Bobby, I get to see Ritesh, I get to see Anna. And so, you know, these boys, I haven't seen them for so long. I've been traveling, I've been all over the place. So, I mean, the game got shifted today. It was supposed to be in Bombay, so I have to leave halfway through because I have worked back. But hopefully one more game I'm going to come and hang out and kind of have fun. There's no stress, there's nothing, just enjoy yourself. So I'm quite excited.
We would actually love to have you here every time. You're playing against Punjab this time, and you are a Mumbai heroine. Does it feel like a little different?
No, I mean, I didn't know they were playing against Punjab, A, first of all. And B, I'm an Indian, babe, in the end of the day, right? There is no... so, of course, in the IPL, Punjab, yes, I am Punjab. And it's the North. But having said that, overall, leaving the IPL aside, I think I'm an army kid, I'm an Indian. So it doesn't matter which team you're playing. And this is not about a divide in this team or that team. This is more fun, and this is just coming and supporting my friends and just kind of hanging out and having a blast.
Would you ever want to play cricket?
I did once. We had a owners versus owners game in the IPL, which we won, and I hit a 4 after practicing really hard for a very long time. So yes.
I think CCL also should have a lot of heroines playing.
I mean, you know, I think it's really important. It doesn't matter if the boys play or the girls, as long as it's competitive and to a certain level. Because you're playing in a proper stadium, you have people watching. So I think the fun factor is because you all are hanging out, but the game needs to be serious. So it's nice. I hope they cross 200 today. And all these guys, I mean, they've been making it to the semis and they kind of get out from there. So I really hope they win the tournament this time.
Who are your favorite players in the Mumbai team?
My favorite players right now, you know, I'm quite selfish in any team. My favorite players are always the ones that hit the 6s or the 4s or take wickets. So right now Shabir because he's going crazy. But besides that, I love Ritesh, I love Bobby. Bobby I've grown up with, you know. So I'm seeing him after so long and he's looking so good with that dadi. He's actually looking a little deadly and there's a whole mystery about him. So I mean, I love them all, you know. They're part of who I am and my whole journey. And Bobby is especially extremely special to me because I wouldn't have been in this industry if it wasn't for him. Because he was the one who recommended me and pushed me forward for Soldier. And besides that, he's always been a really good friend. Sohail is like a brother to me, you know. He's family. And so everyone else, I mean, they're my buddies, and so I love them all. There's no such thing. But if I had to choose, it probably would be a tight choice between Sohail, Bobby, and Ritesh. I know, you know, the only actor I feel bad about missing out on working post-Soldier was Bobby. I worked with every actor twice at least. I missed that with Bobby. So I hope we can do, you know, it's never too late for anything. So I hope we can do something great together. Because we've really had a good time working together, and I miss the fact that we just did one film together.
Okay, you know what? Boost is the secret of my energy, and I've always seen you very energetic. What is the secret of your energy?
Secret of my energy is homemade food with ghee. I don't know. I think I was born chitty chatty and talkative. So some people are the way they are, but I think if you're happy and you try to be happy, you will be energetic. If you're sad and miserable and depressed, you always feel like So the trick is be happy, be satisfied with what you have, and learn to appreciate all the things you have, because we might not have a lot of things other people have, but we have a lot of things a lot of people in this world don't have, and we should appreciate that.
Well, thank you very much. It was lovely speaking to you, and back to you guys.